Greetings. I'm Erin Konsela, an admissions counselor at UW-Stout. I love my job because I love UW-Stout. I get to talk to high school students every day and tell them what a great university I work for and what coming here will mean for the rest of their lives. I get to tell them about our 98.2% employment rate for graduates, how we stress hands-on learning, and how closely our students work with their professors. My job just got better because now I can tell them about a new way we have to make attending UW-Stout more affordable. It is called the Blue Devil Guarantee, a scholarship program you don't even have to apply for. If you are accepted as a freshman at UW-Stout and have a qualifying grade point average and ACT or SAT score, you will receive a scholarship of either $1,000, $2,000, or $3,000. These scholarships also can be renewed for a second year. UW-Stout is truly an amazing university, and it offers one of the best educations in the nation. Now it is more affordable than ever. Please visit the UW-Stout homepage and click on the link for Blue Devil Guarantee scholarships for more information or to find admissions information. Thank you.